it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my probably the biggest candle shopping haul ever. Like ever. This bag is so heavy. I'm afraid it's gonna rip. It's probably like 25 pounds of candles in there. So I went a little cuckoo bananas because last year Bath & Body put out so many new scents and they were all sold out. Like, I really didn't expect that they were all gonna be sold out so quick. So I wanted to make sure that this year I will not make the same mistake and that I will get all of my favorite fall scented candles. So without further ado, let me show you because I have a lot of candles. I do have multiple of just about everything, but I got a lot of good ones. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, so I picked a bunch of the little ones, which is the single wick candle, but I also have the 3-wick candle. So the little ones, I believe they were $6.50 on sale, and I also had some coupon that I actually got one for free. And then the large candles, which are the 3-wick candles, I think they were on sale for $12.95, and I also had a coupon for 20% off. So it was, anyway, so my first candle is Autumn Woods. It looks beautiful. I wanted them to look a little bit more fall, like the outside of it, but they didn't have many options and I just took whatever they had as long as this was the scent that I wanted. This reminds me of, it's kind of like fresh and it's warm. So good with describing exactly how it smells, but this one smells light, warm, and fresh, and definitely not overpowering, so it's not gonna give me a headache because I am kind of sensitive when it comes to certain smells. So if something is too strong, I can't do it. I can't do it. All right, this one is a fresh fall morning. So, and I like that now they're making pretty much all of their candles with natural essential oils. This one I burnt already. It smells really good. Really good. It's also kind of fresh and it reminds me of the fall. Comfy, cozy, yes. It smells good. It smells good. I do have to say that I noticed also some of their smaller candles, obviously they're not as strong as their big candles, which is the 3-wick. So you have to burn the small ones for probably a little bit longer to really get the aroma around your whole house, or at least majority of your house. But the big ones, you know, there's no questions asked. You light it up in one room and your entire house will smell amazing. So the next 2 candles, I think I only got 2 of these. This is the Flannel, which is also a really good candle. I found it sometime last year, and I think I only picked up like one of the big ones, and I was just so upset that I didn't get more. This just smells, it just smells like I don't even know, like a cabin or something, like a fresh scent, like in a cabin somewhere in Lake George, upstate New York. It smells good. So I got 2 of these guys. Oh my god, guys, I have a lot of candles. Oh my god. Okay, so one of their newer scents, and I actually already burnt one of them, which makes me have 3 of these, is the Open Sky. I saw it's like a brand new line. I guess they have the lotion, the spray, the body wash, and everything, but the candle, it smells so good. So I got 3. It's just such a, I don't even know. It smells, again, it's fresh, it's not overpowering. It maybe has a hint of citrus, just a hint, but I absolutely love this one. I'm gonna focus, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy. A candle that I love and that they pretty much have the entire year is Mahogany Tiki Wood, which is this one. And then they also have pretty much the same thing. They have Mahogany Tiki Wood High Intensity, which I also purchased. This, and don't make fun of me, but I say it in every video when I talk about the candles, this smells like back in the day when you walk into an Abercrombie store. This is the smell. This is like Abercrombie. And again, I share it every time in one of these candle videos. I worked in Abercrombie for like a hot minute, but I loved going to Abercrombie like when I was a teenager, and of course I could never afford all that fancy clothes, but we were like in the clearance section, yes. But just to be in that environment, that music, like, oh my God, that would probably give me like a migraine right now. It was amazing. So this reminds me of that, and I love it. I love this candle so much. So it's the Mahogany Tiki wood, and then they have the Mahogany Tiki wood high intensity, which is like, oh, amazing. I think this is a new candle, well, at least I didn't have it last year. This one is called the Perfect Autumn Morning, and this is one of my big ones. And it, again, I believe it's a very fresh kind of scent. So this one, it's fresh, but it has a little bit of, oh, I just realized it kind of has a little boo-boo inside. My candles have to be perfect. But anyways, it has a little bit of like that spice in there, like, I don't know, like cinnamons, but a hint, because I'm not very into sweet and cinnamony kind of candles. But this just has a tiny smell of that, so it's amazing. Oh, okay, see, the big ones have it. So this one is fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, rich clove with natural essential oils. This is, yes, this is good. This is like that, enough of that spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, clove. Yeah, I think I'm smelling the clove more than anything. That's just perfect for me, because I cannot do it when it's a little bit more more stronger, because then it's just gonna give me a headache. So I think I actually left one out somewhere. I'm looking at my kitchen because I have a few more. Sweater Weather was amazing last year. I actually think I have a big one. I think I have a big one somewhere. I can't find it right now. It smells so good. This was, this is such a good one. This was very popular last year. Yeah, see, the little ones, they don't have what it smells like, but this is a good one. You have to have this one. This is, oh, amazing. So the next one I got is Fresh Fall Morning, and it looks like this. Gonna focus. And this smells so delicious. This, I don't know why this reminds me of like somewhere in Disney. It smells good. And this one is citrus zest, woodland sage, red delicious apples with natural essential oils. This smells so good, so good. What else I got? So I have another one. Fresh Fall Morning. So I got 2 of those. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessing. Okay, so this one is my favorite. This one is my favorite, and I went cuckoo bananas over it. So I have 3 of them here. I have 3 here, and I have one burning and another one on standby over there. So this one is called Lakeside Morning. This is heavenly. I got, I think, only one last year, and I was so upset that they sold out. Couldn't get it until pretty much about 2 weeks ago. So I stocked up, and when I went actually to the store to pick up some, they only had 8, and I think I took 3 and I took 5. I might have to go back. So the Lakeside Morning is crisp autumn air, white drift wood with a hint of a green apple and natural essential oils. I can't say that it's like boom apple. I mean, and it says it's a hint of apple, but this is everything I need for the rest of the season. It makes my house smell so good, guys, so good. So I got 5 of those, and then I think this is the Mahogany Tiki Wood High Intensity. Yes, this is the one. This is the Abercrombie smell, but like on steroids. This is good. I can't. I'm obsessed. So this one has an intense version of our classic home fragrance with notes of rich mahogany, black tiki wood, dark oak, and frosted lavender with natural essential oils. Very interesting. I'm like, I can't. If like I just like, this is it. Like, I can't. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments below what is your favorite scent, because when I go to Bath and Body or White Barn, I definitely get overwhelmed because there's just so much to smell. So I would love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite scents? Leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out, because I have to go back, I think, to get to get this one. I just need a few more for my collection. See you real soon. Bye.